Hello guys, welcome back to Let's Learn Hub. Today's our topic is numbers from 10 to 99. And in the last lecture we have learned numbers from 0 to 9, right? So we have learned 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And also I told you guys 9 is the largest single digit number and our next number is 10. So far we have learned up to 9, right? If there is a 9 and there is nothing on the left, that means you have 0 on the left. So from any number to get its next number, we have to always change its rightmost digit. So here it is 9. So there is no next number to 9. If we reach 9, then we have to make that digit to 0 and we have to change its left number. That is from 0 to 1 because 1 comes after 0, right? So we made this 0 to 1 and we made this 9 to 0. So we will get 1 0. 1 0 is 10. 10, this is 10, these are 10 apples. Suppose you have these many apples with you, that means you have 10 apples. This is number 10. And because 10 is the first double digit number, this is the first number we are learning with two digits, right? This is the first double digit number. That is the reason this is the smallest double digit numbers, and the next numbers will be higher than 10. So how to get next number? We have to again always change the rightmost digit. So we have 1 0 10, right? So we have to change this 0 to its next number, that is 1. Did you notice that the left remains same but only the right digit changes to its next number, that is 1. So we'll get 1 1, that is 11. So our next number is 11. 11 is 1 on the left, 1 on the right. So did you notice that this one was constant and this was changed from 0 to 1. This is 1 1 11. And our next number is 1 2. Did you notice again? This is constant and this is changed from 1 to 2. So this is 1 2. This is 12. Okay, and this is 1 3. Again the left one keeps constant and right one changes from previous number to next number. So this is 1 3 13. Okay, and our next number is 1 4 called 14, and next number is 1 5. Did you notice it? Again this number is changing from 4 to 5. So this is 1 5 15. Can you guess the next number now? Yes, 1 will remain same and this number will change to next number. What comes after 5? Yes, it is 6. So our next number will become 1 6. That is 16. Okay, and our next number will be 1 7, that is 17, right? Yeah, now 1 remains same and 7 will change to its next number. What comes after 7? Yes, it is 8. So our number will be 1 8, that is 18. Okay, you are getting things? Yes, and now we have to change this 8 from 8 to next number. What comes after 8 is 9. So our next number will be 1 9, that is 19. So this number is 19. So what we have to do now? So initially we started at 0 and we moved till 9, right? So after 9 we added a extra digit 1 on the left side and we started again from 0 on the right side to 9. Now after reaching 9 on the right side, we have to increase the left digit by 1. So what comes after 1 is 2. And we have to start right digit again from 0. See, these are the numbers we learned, right? 10, this is 11, this is 12, this is 13, this is 14, this is 15, this is 16, this is 17, 18, 19. Okay, see, this left digit is constant, that is 1, and the right digit is changing from 0 to 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 8, and 9. Did you notice it? Left remains constant and right changes from 0 to 9. So our next number will, because we reached the highest single digit number, so we have to change the left digit now. What comes after 1? This is 2. So let's see next number. So we change the left digit from 1 to 2, and we again started from 0 as a right digit. So this is 20 called 20. Okay, and our next number is 2, so we have to change only this 0 to its next number. What comes after 0? This is 1, so we will get 2 1. 2 1 is 21, and after that we just need to change this one, so we will get 2 2. This is 22, and after this we just need to change this 2, that means we will get 2 3. This is 23, and then 2 4. This is 24. Now we have to change only this 4 to its next number, that is 5. So we will get 2 5, that is 25. Now we have to change this 5 to its next number, that is 6. So now we will get 2 6 called 26. Now next number is 2 remains same and 6 changes to 7. So this is called 27. Now next number is 2 8 called 28. And the next number is again 8 changes to 9. So 2 9. This is 29. Can you guess the next number now? Yes. We reached the highest single digit number on the right again. So we need to change the left digit now. So we need to change the left digit from 2 to what comes after 2? Yes, it is 3. So we need to change the left digit from 2 to 3, and we have to start right digit from 0 to 9. Yeah, this is 30. 30 called 30, and again we have to keep this 3 constant, and we have to change this right one 0 from 0 to 9. Okay, now we will get, these are the numbers: 30, this is 30, and we'll get 31 next, that is 31. This is 32, that is 32, and we'll get 33, that is 33, and next number is 34, that is 34, and this is 35, that is 35. This is 36 called 36, and this is 37 called 37. This is 38, that is 38, and the next number is 39. And again you can guess the next number very easily this time. Just this 4 changes, this is 3 changes to its next number called 4, and then it will start from again 0 to 9. Okay, this is 40 called 40. So this is 4, that is changed from 3 to 4, and now it will start again from 0. So easy, right? Yeah, you will get it. You will get it. This is 40, and next number is, you just have to change this 0 to next number, that is 1. So you will get 4 1, and next number is, you just need to change this right digit from 1 to 2. So you will get 4 2 called 42, and the next number is 4 3 43, and the next number is 4 4. So you have changed this 3 to 4, keeping the left digit same as 4. So you will get 4 4 called 44. So the next number is 4 5, that is 45, and again next number is 4 6 called 46, and the next number 4 7, this is 47. This is 4 8 called 48, and the next number is 4 9 called 49. I think you can guess it now, right? What is the next number? You have reached end of the single digit number, so you have to change the left digit from 4 to its next number. What comes after 4? This is 5. So you have to keep 5 here, and you have to change it from 0 to 9 again. Okay, so first of all you'll get 5 and 0. This is called 50. This is 5 on the left, 0 on the right. This is called 50, and the next number is again start from 0 to 9. So you will get 5050, and then 5151, 5252, and this is 53 called 53, and this is 5454, this is 5555, this is 5656, this is 5757, this is 5858, and this is 5959. Now again you can guess it with very easily this time, isn't it? Just have to change this digit, and you have to start again from 0 to 9. So you will get from 60 to 69. So this is 60 called 60. You just need to change again from this right digit from 0 to 9. You will get 61, 62, 63, 64, and all those numbers. So you'll get these numbers. This is 6060, 6161, and this is 6262. And now next number is 63. This is 63. This is 64, 64. This is 65 called 65, and this is 66, that is 66, and this comes 67, that is 67. You just need to change this 7 to 8 here. You will get 68, and this is 69 called 69. Now next comes is very easy this time. Yes, this is 7 and this is 0, because we changed this from 6 to 7, and we changed this from 9 to 0. Now we just change this right number from 0 to 9. So we will get from 70 to 79. This is 70, 70, and next numbers are 70 done. So 71, that is 71. This is 72 called 72. And this is 73, that is 73. This is 74, that is 74. And this is 75, that is 75. And this is 76, that is 76, and next is 77, that is 77, right? Yeah, this is 78, that is 78, and the next number is 79, that is 79. Yeah, very easy, right? Yeah, you can write simply for all those numbers. You can write, you can change from 7 to 8 here, and you can start again from 0 to 9. Easy, right? Numbers are very easy. Math is very easy. You just need to understand. That's it. 80 called 80, and next comes 81, that is 81, 82, 82, 83, 83, and next is 84, 84, and this is 85 called 85, and 86 called 86, 87, this is 87, this is 88 called 88, and this is 89, that is 89. And what comes after 89? This is easy. You have to change this 8 to 9, and you have to start here from 0 to 9. Yes, you will get 90. This is 90. So you will get a number called 90. Now you are about to get the rest of the numbers right easily. Just need to change this digit from 0 to 9. You will get from 90 to 99. So these are our numbers. 90 called 90, 91 called 91, 92 is 92, 93 is 93, and 94 is 94. And the number next is 95, that is 95. And the next is 96, that is 96. 97 is 97, 98 is 98. And the next number is 99, that is 99. Yeah, let's look at the table that we have learned. This is a number we started, right? This is 0, having nothing. And next I gave you one apple and you got a number 1. And if I give you one more apple, you will get number 2. And if I give one more apple, you will get 3. And the next number is 4. Next number is 5. Next number is 6. Next number is 7. Next is 8. Next is 9. Did you notice the next number here? You just change this left digit from 1. For all these digits, it is 1. And you just have to change the right digit from 0 to 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Did you notice it? It is very simple. And next is 2. You have to keep this 2 constant, and you just have to change this right digit from 0 to again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Simple, right? Again, this you will get from 20 to 29. And the next comes is easy 30. We just change from 2 to 3, and we have to start again from 0 to 9. You will get 30 to 39, right? You will get from 30 to 39. And again, you have to change left digit from 3 to 4, and you have to move right digit from 0 to 9. You will get from 40 to 49. Yes. And the next is simple. You just have to change 4 to 5, and again from right digit from 0 to 9. You will get 50 to 59. And the same here, you have to change the left digit from 5 to 6, and right digit from 0 to 9. You will get from, yeah, you will get from 60 to 69, right? Again, you have to change left digit from 6 to 7, and right digit from again 0 to 9. You will get 72, this number 79. And the next number is easy, just you to change this 7 to 8, and 0 remains same, and you have to start from 0, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You will get from 80 to 89. And next is very simple, this is 90. You have to change from this 8 to this 9, and you have to add the next digit from 0 to again 9. You will get 92, 99, that is 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. That's it. You learned and understood numbers from 0 to 99. If you don't understand it in first go, you can rewatch it. You will understand it better. And I will also provide the slides in the description. You can go through them, and you can watch slides and video. You will get it know better. And yeah, let's meet in the next lecture then. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and thank you very much for watching.